What's up guys, Lewi here. A while back we did a video on the ultimate iPhone setup and how to block it from distractions and block it from like social media feeds and everything just taking up all your user space inside of your brain so you can actually be productive. Today I'm going to show you what I use on Google Chrome, and primarily this is set up for social media sites, and it's a free extension that you can set up yourself, but it really helps because now typically I'll go on in the morning and when I open up social media I'll just check for notifications and messages, and it prevents me from scrolling through the feed and getting distracted and getting off course from my day, which is, obviously not what I want. So let's jump into Google Chrome here. I'm going to show you this extension, how to set it up and what it actually does. Let's go. All right, super simple guys. Once you're inside of Google Chrome, you're just going to click on the three dots here, go down to more tools, and then go to extensions. That was off my screen there for some reason. So when you're here, it's funny because I always used to search here and I was like, I can't find them, but that's just your extensions. So click here and all the way down to Open Chrome Web Store. I don't know why that's kind of like a hidden place. It's weird for me, I don't know. Anyway, okay, what we're gonna do now is type in news feed eradicator, and it's that one right there. And it's the top one here, this blue one. We're going to click on it. Like I said, it is free. Add to Chrome, add extension. And here's the really cool thing. You can set up the sites that you want it to block things on. So I'll show you a few examples here. So let's go Facebook. Yep, turn that on. Let's go Instagram, turn that on. Let's go YouTube, turn that on. And I don't really get on any of these other sites, so you might get on more of these. You can click them and check them out, but they are on now. So let me show you the magic. This is what happens. So now I can log on to Facebook, and instead of a newsfeed coming up and instantly distracting me from what I'm trying to do, I can now just click on here, and you can see now that I'm logged in, but instead of seeing all the craziness, all the crazy people on Facebook and social media talking about politics and all that nonsense, it's just a nice little quote, and it changes every single time you log in. It's a new quote, which is kind of nice. But the main thing is here, I'm not getting distracted. So now I can just click on notifications or messages, or I can jump into one of the groups I'm part of, and I can actually get some work done that I've been trying to do, and I'm not distracted by Facebook. So let me show you another example on YouTube, because as you guys know, the suggested videos and stuff like that are just always a nightmare, and you're like, oh, I'll click on this, I wonder what Andrew Tate's up to, or whatever nonsense comes up. But look at this, again, same thing. So now I can just go into YouTube and search for the thing I actually want to research, or jump into my channel to mess around with it and do some stuff. And it's as simple as that, guys. This is such an awesome tool. So it's tools like this that really make a huge difference. They're so simple to use, so simple just to install. But I'm telling you, if you're someone who gets distracted like I am, these little tools set you up for success, especially if it's like first thing in the morning or in the afternoon. Sometimes you're getting a little bit, okay, like I'm just gonna get on with the next thing, and all of a sudden a shiny little thing pops up on your feed, and all of a sudden you're down the rabbit hole. Especially on YouTube, that's the one I really struggle with, because I like to just keep on watching videos and learn, but I learned so much that I haven't actually got any work done. So check it out, guys. That is a really cool little plugin that I use on Chrome. Big things coming, guys. In Q2, Mike Sherrard and myself are launching a mastermind. We are going to be rolling that out here. So there's a link below in this video with some more information on that if you want to check it out. We're only going to open enrollment for a few times in the year, kind of random times, just to let people in. There are prerequisites to joining the group. So if you want to get more information on that, guys, check it out. A lot of people have been asking since the last time I mentioned it. So have a look on that and see what you think. Download this into your Google Chrome. Let me know how this works for you. It really works wonders for me. I love it so much. There's no nonsense on any of my feeds anymore, and it is a great tool. So check it out, and we'll see you on the next one.